Hello everyone. Welcome back to Color Vistas. Today we're diving into a colorful and creative project, sublimating wind spinners. These unique decorations are perfect for adding a personal touch to your outdoor or indoor spaces. I'll walk you through the entire process, from selecting your materials to the final steps of creating your vibrant wind spinner. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Understanding wind spinners and sublimation. Sublimation is a fantastic method for applying intricate, colorful designs to various materials, including metal wind spinners. These items capture the wind and display dynamic art, making them ideal for gardens, patios, or as eye-catching home decor. Materials you'll need. Sublimation printer. I recommend a model like the Epson SureColor for its reliability in producing vivid prints. Sublimation ink and paper. Essential for transferring your designs effectively. Heat press. A device like the Cricut Easy Press or a traditional flat heat press will be necessary to apply your design. Metal wind spinner. Blanks. These should come with a polyester coating suitable for sublimation. Accessories: heat-resistant tape, protective butcher paper, and a lint roller for preparing and pressing your design. Designing your wind spinner. Start by creating your design using software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. You'll want to focus on vibrant, detailed images that reflect your style or the environment where the spinner will be displayed. Remember to mirror your design to ensure it appears correctly once transferred. Let's look at the preparation and sublimation process. Clean the blank. Use a lint roller to ensure the spinner is free from dust. Print your design. Use your sublimation printer to print the design on sublimation paper. Secure the design. Tape the printed design onto the spinner using heat-resistant tape. Pressing. Set your heat press to about 385 degrees and press for around 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Ensure even pressure throughout to avoid any patches or blurs. Now, for creative tips and customization. Personalize your design. Consider incorporating elements like personal photos, favorite quotes, or unique artwork that represents your or the recipient's interests. Theme ideas. From seasonal themes like spring flowers or autumn leaves to specific interests like nautical or celestial, choose designs that match the intended setting of the spinner. Before we end, let's focus on troubleshooting common issues. Color accuracy. Ensure your printer settings are optimized for sublimation. Image clarity. If the image transfers blurry, check if the design was securely taped and the heat press didn't move during sublimation. Durability. To enhance the longevity of the design, make sure the metal spinner is properly coated for sublimation. Sublimating wind spinners can transform an ordinary garden or room into a vibrant showcase of your creativity. With the right tools and a bit of practice, you can produce stunning pieces that spin with color and life. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions about sublimating your own wind spinners, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects and tips. You can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Happy crafting, and see you next time.